There once was a bee and his name was Fred. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Oh yeah, life of do 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 from the hive do 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 do, life from the hive do 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 do, except not life. Hey everybody, it is me, Fred the Bee, and every week on Tuesdays I am sharing tips and tricks for the music classroom or parents or families or preschool teachers, anyone who teaches young children or is around young children and wants some fun ideas. So I am doing a series on Facebook Live for Fall Music and Education Teacher Buzz. And if you would like to join us, we're going 7 p.m. on Eastern Standard Time, live from the Hive, and you can like and post and comment and share and ask Fred questions while I am live. So, as a lot of you know, I am a music teacher and this is my life and this is what I do. So I am all about sharing and helping and learning from others, and this is week 2 that I just shared. If you would like to go to facebook.com, you can look up Fred the Bee and you can find me. Also, you can find Fred the Bee on YouTube and Instagram and Snapchat. All you have to do is look up Fred the Bee and a little lovely bumblebee like me should appear. So this week I'm sharing a few things. On Facebook Live I always share a fun and silly story. I'm going to keep this straight to the things that I am sharing. So this week I shared a really fun warm-up that I found online. It actually came with 3 like kind of tongue twister fun warm-ups. I use this with my chorus. We had first group today, and I've used this all the way up through high school and as young as 2nd grade. And you probably know the tune, Kookaburra sits on the old gum tree, Mary, Mary, king of the bushes he. Laugh, Kookaburra gay, your life must be. This is the same tune, except they changed it to pizza, which what kid doesn't want to sing about pizza? I always did, I still do now. In fact, I want some pizza, I gotta go, I'll be right back. Just kidding, I'll be right here. And goes like this: picking up a pepperoni pizza, lots of mozzarella and lots of meatza. I love a pizza pie, bigger, better pizza, me oh my. That is our awesome warm-up. So if you would like to find that online, maybe I can add the link, or look up picking up a pepperoni pizza. I'm sure you will find it. It is so much fun. So I did a really fun version of Bumblebee, Buzz Buzz by Laurie Berkner this week with my preschool students, and it was our first music class, and a lot of the students I don't know yet, or they don't know me yet. And especially in preschool, one of the things I discovered last year is that, you know, it takes a lot of trust to get them to want to sing with you and enjoy music with you and participate. So here's what we did with Bumblebee Buzz Buzz as far as actions go. I told them, okay, do what I do, watch me. Sometimes we'll do that with songs, and I started playing the songs, and it, you know, goes something like, I was sitting in my garden and I saw a bumblebee, and his name was Oscar, and he went buzz, 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 buzz. So I had the kids, I said, shake your hands, and they all went like this, or like different things, which was really cute. And then I said, wave your arms for Bumblebee, you and me. It's just, I said the wrong words, but you get the idea. Buzz, 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 buzz. And then we took our shaker, oh, but we didn't have it yet. And we took our hand and we went buzz, buzz, which was so much fun. Then after we got through all of it, and there's 2 bumblebees and there's 3 bumblebees, and they're like, 3 bumblebees, that's so crazy. I was like, I know, it was crazy. Then I said, okay, now we have egg shakers. And I always keep surprises, and I had them in a little box, and I was like, what do you think these could be? And they were like, they're kind of sharp shaky. So then I pulled them out, and they're like, oh, it's an egg shaker. And it was like, whoa, coolest thing we've ever seen in our life. And then I told them that they have to go and rest before the song and the rest when it's over, because they're going to go through so much. So I said, make a little bed with your hands, and this is our rest position. Before and after a song, the egg has to take a nap because it's going to work so hard. And all of my little 2 and 3 and 4-year-olds, this is what they did. They held it in their hands, and it was so cute. Then just said, do what I do, and then they could play their guitar as a shaker. We got to this part, and I was like, shake your eggs. Buzz, 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 buzz. And then on this part, Bumblebee, Bumblebee, it's just you and me. And then we buzz, 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 and then we went, and then we did to the rest of the song, and it is so much fun. Laurie Berkner Band, whoa, she even liked some of my comments this week. That was mind-blowingly awesome. So moving on. I love the song, especially in the fall. There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll die. And it's great for vocal exploration because we can go, what does the cow say? Moo. What does the cat say? Meow. What's the bird sound? Tweet, 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 tweet. And we can fly around, which is so much fun. And I love, especially if we've done that one or with older classes, there was an old lady who swallowed some leaves. So great book by Scholastic and Lucille Calandro, illustrated by Jared Lee. Really awesome books. I'm sure you have probably seen these before, and if you haven't, please get them. I have so many of these different books, and they're awesome. What I love is when I sing it, there was an old lady who swallowed some leaves. I don't know why she swallowed the leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. When people hear me do that, classroom teachers, I've had so many that go, oh, there's a song? I'm like, yeah, man, it's awesome. So I love to hear when they do that. I talk a lot about personal wellness and taking care of yourself and mindfulness things. And my mindfulness thing this week is to try different classes. Tonight and very soon, I'm taking a class that is a relaxation / sound meditation class where I am apparently going to hear a didgeridoo and be in relaxing poses, and I've been looking forward to it all day. My day was really hectic, really crazy. Can't wait to see it. I think it's just really, really important as a whole to find something that works for you. Maybe it's cardio, maybe it's yoga, whatever it is. Looking forward to that. If you do not know about Music Express, I've been so impressed with Music Express. It just keeps getting better, better, better. And each week in the student magazines, they have awesome arrangements and songs like a Dear Evan Hansen song, a song from School of Rock, a song, really cool articles that come with great worksheets and videos of actual music composers and people in music tech and different things. They always have a song from a different culture, different Viennese musical clock. Yes, Please by Kodai, a listening map that shows different instruments. Amazing. They always include a folk song, have movement opportunities or accompaniments, and John Jacobson will write a song. He also puts a poem, and all the recordings are available online. It always comes with a teacher edition. You can download everything. It has song visuals. It has instrument parts. It's very relevant and very, very helpful. And to be honest, there's so much good content that if you make a subscription, get the subscription, it comes out 6 times throughout the school year. So much awesome content that I don't even touch the surface on all of it, which is crazy because there's so many things. I discovered Music for Kiddos, an awesome website by a wonderful teacher, and discovered a song called The Shy Little Monster, which was so exciting for me because I love to do songs for Halloween, but I don't want to scare my little guys especially, and found this awesome Shy Little Monster song. Turns out she's creating a children's book like I'm trying to do, and right now she has a pre-order sales, and I hear the book comes out next week, which is so awesome. Congratulations. For right now, you can get her Shy Little Monster book and recording and other resources that come with it for $28, or you can get the book for $14. And another thing I want to share with classroom management strategies is responsive classroom. I learned that you can use a chime. Isn't that nice? and musical cues to help students calm down. The point is to not bang on it. The point is to ring it, practice it, talk about your expectations. I tell my students to stop, look, and listen. And if we have an off day, I'm like, you know what, let's try that again. What should it look like? What should it sound like if I ring the chime in the music room? So I got that from a type of training called Responsive Classroom. If you want to look up their website, responsiveclassroom.org is extremely helpful. I went to an amazing music workshop last week. There's a really awesome one coming up in 2 weeks at Hofstra University through the Long Island Wharf chapter, and I'm looking forward to attending that, and is going to include the Teachers Pay Teachers music education guru, Lindsay Jervis. Super excited about that. And don't forget to follow Fred on YouTube for all of his latest adventures. Right now I have one video, which is so exciting. Diving into all of this, it's new, so thank you for being patient. And thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Stay tuned each week for new videos that will help you in your music or classroom or home experience with children, whatever it is. From Fred the Bee, take care! F-R-E-D Fred, F-R-E-D Fred, F-R-E-D Fred, I'm very glad you